Hello everyone, this is part 1 in the series on how to customize Windows XP, giving it a more streamlined, easier to use interface, and how to deal with its useful but sometimes annoying reminders. This starts with a new Windows XP installation with all updates installed. First thing I like to deal with is the "your computer might be at risk" balloon pop-up. So simply click on that and then go down to where it says change the way Security Center alerts me. When you click that link, it'll open Alert Settings dialog box and simply uncheck the settings for firewall, automatic updates, and virus protection. When you're done, you can click OK, and you notice that the little icon at the bottom is gone. Then simply close Security Center. We'll deal with the language bar in a second, but first go to the Start menu, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of icons and programs that really don't make much sense. And you can also notice that the responsiveness of moving your mouse over the icons is kind of slow. So first of all, let's deal with the language bar if it's there in the first place. Just right click, select Settings, wait for that to come up, go to Advanced, and then go down to the second System Configuration and put a check mark in the box that says turn off all advanced services, then press OK. Now you have a nice clean taskbar with nothing popping up to remind us, and you can right click on the taskbar to do specific things. You can also do the same on the Start menu. So let's right click the taskbar and go up to where it says Toolbars, and you can see there's a bunch of things you can select. What we're going to do is we're going to select Quick Launch. Once you do that, you'll see there's two new icons on here. Right click again and select Lock the Taskbar, and this will clear the checkbox. You'll see two new bars which you can move around, and this simply gives us more room to work with. And select a blank area in here and right click again. This time go up to Open Folder. Now you'll see Quick Launch as shown in the top left. Quick Launch. Again, right click in a blank area or the white space, go to New and go up to where it says Shortcut. Click that. This will open a new dialog box called Create Shortcut, and simply type in the word Explorer. When you're done, click Next, and we'll give it a title. You can call it anything. I'm just going to type in Windows Explorer. When you're finished typing in your shortcut name, just simply click Finish. Now you see your newly created shortcut called Windows Explorer. Simply right click on that and then select Properties, and you'll see it near at the top called Target. Make sure that's not highlighted, just like clicking in the white space. When it's not highlighted, press space, then type /E, letter E. Click Apply. Now you can change the icon. I like to change the icon to something different. So just select Change Icon, press that button, and you see there's a whole bunch of different ones in here. I personally like the folder with the Explorer look to it. So when I'm done, I press OK, and then go down to Apply. And if you look there, it's changed to Windows Explorer with the little folder icon. Hit the red X to close the Quick Launch window, and then simply right click the taskbar and lock it again. So now we have another new icon we can work with. So just a quick review, we now have a Quick Launch bar on the taskbar with Windows Explorer, Show Desktop, and Internet Explorer. So now we're going to deal with the stuff on the left hand side, all these little icons here. Notice too that any blank area you can select and it shows properties. You can do this at the top, at the bottom, anywhere there isn't a command. So I'm just going to select one at the top. They're all the same. So go to Properties, and we're going to customize the Start menu and get rid of those icons on the left side. So just click the button Customize and go to Number of Programs on Start menu. Right now there's 6 of them, and that's what it has highlighted. Here is 6, so we're going to reduce this number down to 0. You can either type in 0 or just click the down button until you reach 0. After I'm done with that, just simply hit the clear list button, and you'll see those icons will be gone in a second. Notice that there's other things you can do, but look, there you go. Nothing on the Start menu except for Internet Explorer and Outlook Express. Those can be unselected, but nothing will change until you're finished. See, they're still there. So I'll just leave them there for now. Same with small icons. Nothing will change. So now we go on to Advanced. And I usually uncheck Highlight Newly Installed Programs. That's up to you if you want to do that or not. Recent documents, this is another thing I don't like having in the Start menu, so I uncheck that and I just check Clear List. Again, nothing's been changed. And then you can do some further highlight again. I'll just make sure that's unchecked. A few more things you can pick and choose. Help and support. I don't really need that, so I unselect that. And if you're on a network, My Network Places comes in handy. You can choose that. Printers and faxes, those are in Control Panel. I don't really need to use those all the time. Set up program access and defaults. Well, that's on the Start menu already. If you look here, so I definitely uncheck that. And then you can review your changes in General and Advanced. When you're done, just simply select OK, Apply, and then OK again. Close the dialog, and there we go. Left side cleaned up, smaller icons, and we're all set for further customization. And we'll be talking about using the Control Panel next.